Hi there, this is Michael from Generation 3 Electric, and today we're exploring the difference between a qualified electrical installation and an unqualified one. What's the difference in the prices you're given? You're given a price for so many dollars to install this here. Why can I get it cheaper? Well, if you get it cheaper, it's probably wrong. Because here is somebody using cardboard in an electrical situation which is highly flammable. I mean, I think so anyway. Electric, sparks, cardboard, but for some reason, they thought it was a good idea. So there you have it. Difference in price, difference in performance. Garbage.